What's going on, everyone? Today is June 28th, 2021. We're going to talk about Zomedica today, right? We're going to talk about some hedge funds who actually got some positions in this particular stock. We want to see where they stand on Zomedica. We want to see, are they long, are they short this particular stock? And we're going to do that today. We got you. But the most thing that we got you on is where price is going to go, right? Our team, our community, which if you want to, you can join us. We will recommend that you do, though, because we are always getting in a position to capitalize on where price is going to go, all without being confused. So welcome to the team. If you hit that like button, share, and subscribe here to our channel. We want to be individuals that's always in position, that is always in the know and not caught off by surprise, right? That is what we're all about. So if you want, you can join us, hit the like button, share, and subscribe here to the channel. Before I go into what happened in the price for Zomedica against our last price prediction, which you can see was on June 14th. We did a follow-up video telling you that we were still looking for the market in Zomedica to go lower. You guys can clearly tell we already did that. Okay, so now we need to update you all as to what we're seeing into the market in Zomedica. Before I do that, let's look at this article real quick. Okay, it was an article posted 8 days ago, okay, from Insider Monkey. Where do hedge funds stand on Zomedica Corporation? You might be surprised that, wait, hold on, there's actually hedge funds that is involved in Zomedica? There is. It might not be a lot, but there's still some hedge funds out there that has an interest in Zomedica and where price is going to go, right? So now, I went through, highlighted some things on this article that I'm going to talk about real quick, and then I'm going to give you our updated price prediction in Zomedica. It's just that simple. So now real quick, I will have the link though, for you if you want to continue to read on this article. Click some of these links that they got here if you want. But for us, we don't care about articles. We don't care about technical indicators. This is what we care about. Okay. But let's just do this real quick. However, in this article, we would take a look at their collective moves over the last 6 years and analyze what the smart money thinks of Zomedica Corporation based on that data. Okay, so this is what this article is going to go into. Zomedica Corporation was in 5 hedge funds portfolios at the end of March. So there's 5 hedge funds that has a position in Zomedica. There's not a lot. There's only 5. Okay, now, do you think they got big positions in Zomedica, or do you think they got small positions? Let's see. At end of Q1 of 2021, a total of 5 hedge funds tracked by Insider Monkey held long positions in this stock. Long simply means they're looking for price to go up. Okay, they're trying to buy the stock. They're trying to expect the price to go higher so they can sell it at a profit. Okay, that's a change of 67% from the fourth quarter of 2020. By comparison, one hedge fund held shares or bullish call options in Zomedica a year ago. So they've been holding on that particular stock in Zomedica for a while, a year. Call options is not necessarily them buying the stock. They're having the option to buy the stock at a certain strike price, right? Or the value of that option could increase. And once they exit that position, their call option, then they will grab the profit from the value of the option from where it increased from when they originally purchased those call options. Okay. So now you guys can see this is the chart, the graph that Insider Monkey has. Q3 in 2018, only one hedge fund had Zomedica in their stock portfolio. And it maintained that all the way until Q3 of 2019, to where 5 hedge funds had Zomedica in their position, back down to 1 in Q4 2019, and now we're back up to 5. So this stock don't get that much traction, right? Every once in a while, you may see a move higher to 1 to 2 to 3 to 4, back down to 3, up to 5. That's the highest position that we're seeing according to Insider Monkey, right? Now, let's see which hedge funds actually hold a position in Zomedica. You guys can tell from the article that Citadel was the largest shareholder of Zomedica stock. They have a stake worth $3.2 million reported as of the end of March. Trailing Citadel was Millennium Management, right? They amassed 2.2 million position. So Citadel has 3.2, Millennium has 2.2, Exodus Point Capital is the third one, Gotham Asset Management is the fourth one, and Engineers Gate is the fifth one. Okay, and that's about it. So that just gives you an idea, according to Insider Monkey, who tracks hedge funds and the position that they have on their 13F filings for the SEC. This is what they had in their portfolio on that release. Okay, so that's that. Now let's get back to what we really do. Okay, we're worried about price and making sure that we get into position so we can win. Already got that out. We originally did this price prediction in Zomedica back on June the 4th, June the 5th. Did a follow-up video on June the 14th. Still expecting the price to go lower. And take a look. Did we not tell you that support in the market in Zomedica could be around 80 cents? Take a look. We called that. We did that all the way back in June, beginning of June, and told you all that we could see the market grab support around 80 cents. Pretty good call, right? So hopefully you was able to take that out the market on June 22nd, about 12.5%. Not a lot. It's decent. But again, you was in position to win. This is what we do. Okay. So now let me zoom out, because you can tell that we're not seeing a lot of dramatic price movement in Zomedica, right? This market is becoming stagnated and it is trading dead, right? We're not seeing the trend really entrenched into the market in Zomedica. Okay. So now that is where I'm looking for the market to try to grab and trade and bounce off of in the long term, right? We've already seen the trap give us that type of information. He brought the price back in April 2021 off of 80 cents. And then ever since down, we've been landing and just trading sideways the whole time, following April. So that is his history. That is what he's trying to drop the knowledge and information to us on. So we're going to continue to watch this price right there around 75 cents. Okay. Now, let me show you what we have on a different time frame. Okay. So I'm not really expecting a lot of volatility out the market in Zomedica, first of all, meaning I'm not looking for a massive spread to occur. You guys can remember from the daily chart that these price bars have been relatively small, 90 cents to 92 cents. You know, you might get 2 or 3 cents difference trading a day. So we're going to continue to watch out for that in the long term as well. Okay. So now, where have you been? Was around $1. So yeah, we've been in a downtrend in Zomedica. Let me show you how we ended the week. Okay. The volume has been decreasing as well in Zomedica too, something that we need to take note of as the price has been going lower. So we're drying up the volume here in Zomedica. Okay. So as long as this price maintains itself above 75 cents, I'm still going to play the strength, or at best, look for this market to give us this. Just go sideways for a while. Okay. Let me show you what we look like on the 5-week time frame. So again, the last couple of 5 weekly price bars, I mean, the market weakness has definitely shown itself, right? Right here, then all the way down to here, and then once again in Zomedica on our last completed 5 weekly price bar. Now, one thing I would tell you from this 5-week time frame is that we're getting the idea that the trap is trying to hug price and keep it above 80 cents right now. Okay. Now, it doesn't mean that the weakness is gone, because the last 15 weeks, the market in Zomedica has been getting lower and has been in the position of selling off. So those 5 hedge funds that article went into, more than likely are selling into Zomedica going lower in price, especially on this run up right here. This is where they were selling beginning of the year. Okay. They were selling their position out. So I'm not extremely bullish into the market in Zomedica, but trading sideways is my expectation. And within that, I'm going to play the strength though. Okay, playing the strength here into the market. Zomedica, I'm not extremely bullish. Looking for the market maybe to come around 98, back up towards $1. That's about 15% movement to the upside in price. Okay, right around there. So now we're still in a downtrend. So once I see this market and Zomedica come and test 80 cents, 75 cents, I need to see strength, because if I don't, then I know that we're going to break our 75-cent area and come a lot lower, and more than likely test 60 cents. Okay, so just be prepared for that. All right, so that's it. Your turn. Tell me what y'all think the market price in Zomedica is going to go over the next 3 weeks. In 3 weeks, where will price be? This is what we're expecting. Now it's your turn. You're on our team. We need you to contribute to what you think the price is going to do, and you do that by leaving a comment in the comment section. In the meantime, make sure you maintain a profitability and trade different.